I'm Lupe. Welcome back to my channel. This has been the longest time since you've last seen me, especially since I pretty much took a break from all of my social media. Like this time, everything, and for a really long time, and I don't really even know where to start. I actually filmed 3 videos that you never saw and I never really posted, and it was all really during the time period that the beauty community was in flames. I never posted them because I wasn't satisfied with the type of content I was giving or was about to give you. And for me, it's always been very important to give value because I've been very conscious of what I've been consuming in terms of media or pretty much anything surrounding me. I want my content to leave or be a positive thing in your day. All in all, I really want to say thank you for being here with me. Your time, your precious being is so valuable to me. I really needed this break, and I think you will definitely see what I've been talking about this whole time. So today, I thought, how am I supposed to come back on YouTube after being gone for so long? I can't just pop up with a random smoky eye tutorial. It wouldn't feel right. It'd feel kind of awkward in a sense. But I'm going back to my roots, to what I know best. In my 9 different eyeliner tutorial, I get the same question all the time. I didn't really know how to answer it because I never dealt with it. But let me show you how to apply your eyeliner when you have really long eyelashes very easily and flawlessly. Okay, let's get started. When you're dealing with really long eyelashes, you know, whether you have natural lashes, you were born with them, or you have extensions on, then it really depends on 3 crucial things: the position of your hand, the position of your mirror, and of course the most important in my opinion is the type of eyeliner you're using. I definitely suggest to get the liquid pen eyeliner. They're called different things. Sometimes they're called just liquid eyeliners. They can be called liquid eyeliner markers. They can be called, let's see, felt tip eyeliners, brush tip eyeliners. I think that's it. For example, this is one of the eyeliners I suggest avoiding, the ones that you kind of have to dip your brush. There's a higher chance that this long section here will brush against your eyelash. Of course, the lashes will be touching that, and then they'll be clumpy, and then by the time that you want to apply your mascara, they're a mess. While with a liquid eyeliner pen here, you're really only using the tip, and the rest of your eyelashes will be brushing against the packaging itself right here. Now we're moving on to what type of pen should you use if you're having trouble with applying your eyeliner with long eyelashes. Well, there are 3 types. There's a brush tip, there's a felt tip, and there's a thing called a marker. The felt tip eyeliner pens, in very simple words or maybe description, they're really just a sponge. They soak up all of the eyeliner, you shake them up, and then you put some pressure, and that's how the eyeliner comes out. A marker here is literally, probably could be a Crayola marker. I don't know. Get yourself a liquid eyeliner pen with a brush tip to really make it a whole lot easier on your life and your makeup routine. Now let's move on to the application. So the first thing you want to do is choose what type of mirror and position you want to be. You can either have a compact mirror like this, and of course have a little bit more visual of what you're doing, or you can have a mirror in front of you just like I do and kind of just lean against your desk. Sorry, this is blurry, I'm like totally out of focus. So tilt your head back, just angle it in a position where you're not going to be touching your eyelashes at all, and then just swipe all the way through and then create your wing. This tip is never touching or coming into contact with the eyelashes. So, very quick tip right there. I'm going more in depth with a compact mirror because that's what I personally do with all of my eyeliner looks when I'm applying eyeliner. Grab your eyeliner pen with your compact mirror, kind of rest your inner arms against your chest area, tilt your head back a little bit. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just in case you don't want a wing, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Look at this. This is not filled with any makeup product at all. Versus, for example, if you're doing your eyeliner with this, I'm doing the exact same thing. Nothing changes in terms of my position, head tilt. Everything is exactly the same. Even the angle of how I'm holding the product here, as you can tell, it's inevitable. My eyelashes will be touching that long applicator. Look at that. It's just going through. Let me tap tap. And there it is. Not cool and very annoying probably. By the time you're reaching for your mascara, chances are your eyelashes are already covered in makeup. They're already covered in eyeliner, whether it's a little bit or a lot. It just really messes with the application of your mascara then, and you won't really have a smooth application of that either. And just to back up what I was talking about this whole time, these lashes already feel crispy. They feel like if I applied mascara, and it's just uneven. You don't want that. So yeah, going back to the pen here, when you get to the outer corner, tilt your head sideways and back to create your wing. Start from the bottom here, swipe up, and then just fill in your little sideways triangle or sideways V. It really is just as simple as gliding that brush against your lash band, or in your case against your natural lash line, gliding that across your lid onto your outer corner, and then swiping up. Super easy, very simple, it's not time consuming, very straightforward, and you're out the door. Well, technically you still have to do the other eye, but it will be done in a snap. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you being here with me on my very first video back. Go ahead and check out my other videos. I do have a ton more on eyeliner, so go ahead and check them out, and I will see you in my next video.